Hello, my name is Matias Romero and today I'm going to tell you how to make Matias Romerazo hamburgers. Then 2 cloves of garlic between 50 grams. Then salt between 5 and 10 grams. Then black pepper between 5 and 10 grams. And breads between 35 grams and the ones that you choose. If you want to add something, you can use cheese between 20 and 30 grams, or ketchup or anything that you want to add. Then you have to cut the onion. Then you start cutting the garlic. When you have it perfect like me, you put it at a side. Then it's normal that you start to cry because it's a little bit difficult. But here we have these two cut. Then you combine the meat, the onion, and the white. Then you got the meat and you put it to the oven to make it freeze. Then we put salt to the meat and everything. So we start and I like. Yeah, so we put salt, and it's going to get so well. While this cook, you can go the meat. It will be with the cheese so good. It will be so melt. So you can prepare it to put it on the bread when it became good. Now you got the bread. So you got the portions you're going to use, and in my case, it's only one. So when you have it, if you want, you can put it there to burn to be more delicious. Now if you want, you can put whatever you want. You can put cheese, tomato, more of this. You can put a lot of things. But I will going to choose the cheese. So we put it perfect. And because I like the cheese, because some cheese, so I put another cheese, because yes, I like cheese. So I put another cheese. And then we have to melt it, but up the meat. So we put it here, this, and you will see. These are the ingredients. First, 500 grams of a meal. Now, in my case, I am going also to put tomato because I like. And yes, then you close and you put the other bread, and you will get your hamburger. And now it's your turn to eat it. If you have more questions of Matias Romerazo hamburgers, you can write me to my phone number that is on my PowerPoint presentation. Miss Pumia 100. Now it's your turn, like to put the bread when it's so good, the bread thin, and you put the meat. Yes. So you put it that is so good, and now is you can put this, you can put tomato or whatever you want. In my case, I will going to want this mayonnaise, and we're going to put over here, also well, yes, whisker, and close it, and you are going to put whatever you want.